So now with the combination of GCS as an object store and SingleStore as a database and our data, we were able to get hours, like a batch process which was taking for like 20 plus hours, we were able to bring it down to seconds, right? So that led us to a big change and started working on it, where from batch process to close to real-time processing kind of thing now. So when we are doing that, SingleStore introduced vector DB, like in a vector approach. That get us like a different angle to move our analytical data, like with the transactional data and analytical data we were able to do with the same database. Now we were able to convert to vector. With the vector data, we were able to train the models and bring the models to live, right? So, I don't know, in 2019, I mentioned this in Apple's Foundation DB Summit, that there's we need a data store to solve the micro models, right? We need micro models, and to solve that we need a good data store. In 2019 I talked about it, SingleStore solved it now. And I think it's like a dream come true kind of way, in a way, right? So we need that type of, because LLMs and bigger models are huge data models are there actually, right? But whereas to solve enterprise problems, we need micro models, more specific models for that enterprise to solve their problems. To do that, we need to convert our data into vector and train our models. That's where SingleStore coming into play, where we can move our analytical data and transactional data into vector and train our models with the GPU support. You know what, we'll be the fastest graph and biggest graph in the world.